obliques, half roll down. All right, so keep your feet hip distance apart. We'll bring it a little bit further away from the body this time. Arms in front of you, rounding through your spine. You're going to roll down just halfway. Now when you do that, you're going to bring it open up through your front of the chest, leading from the shoulders to slide down, and then lift it back up. We're just alternating from side to side, so keep your spine nice and rounded. Lifting. Exhale to control down, open through the front of your chest. Just follow the gaze towards your fingertips as you roll, and lift it back up. Keep that nice curve through the spine. A little C there, like a banana shape, and lift. Exhale down. Inhale, control to lift. Exhale, other side down, rounding through the spine as far as you can reach, rolling halfway, and lift it back up. And that is it. That is your half roll down obliques.